Are you looking for a turntable under $1,000? In this video, I will show you the best turntables under $1,000 for 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the debut Carbon DC Esprit SB turntable. The debut Carbon DC Esprit SB was designed to set new standards in this category for the coming decade. As perfectly timed as analog is today, it's again a respected source, while the demand for good turntables with all speeds is growing fast. The carbon tube for the tonearm increases stiffness and decreases unwanted resonance. This material normally is extensively used in high-end tonearms, but because of cost reasons, was never used in products at lower price levels. Together with other improvements like an increase in platter size and weight to realize even smoother rotation, the overall sound quality is greatly improved. The approved belt drive design offers a low-noise AC motor with effective motor decoupling, ultra-precision frequency DC-driven AC generator for ultimate speed stability. The fourth product on the list is the Pro-Ject debut Carbon DC turntable. The first debut turntable, introduced in the late 1990s, was a revolution for the hi-fi industry. The new debut Carbon DC was designed to set new standards in this category for the coming decade. As perfectly timed as analog is today, it's again a respected source, while the demand for good turntables is growing again. The most obvious improvement is the inclusion of a carbon tube for the tonearm, which increases stiffness and decreases unwanted resonance. Together with other improvements like an increase in platter size and weight to realize even smoother rotation, the overall sound quality is greatly improved. The approved belt drive design offers a low-noise AC motor with effective motor decoupling and ultra-precision frequency DC-driven AC generator for ultimate speed stability without unwanted vibration. The third product on the list is the MusicCast VINYL 500 Wi-Fi Turntable. The MusicCast VINYL 500 Wi-Fi turntable lets you play your vinyl with exceptional sound quality or stream music from your favorite services. Enjoy your records in multiple rooms at once by adding MusicCast wireless speakers. Create a dynamic stereo setup with MusicCast wireless speakers and subwoofer. When pairing with MusicCast speakers, place your turntable and speakers wherever you like thanks to wireless technology. The second product on the list is the Denon DP450 USB semi-automatic analog turntable. Reinvigorate your passion for vinyl at home or on the go with the Denon DP450 USB. Integrated USB-A port lets you digitize your vinyl collection and create quality records in MP3 or WAV file formats. Curved, horizontal tracking, angled tonearm and weighted, belt-driven platter spins your 33 1/3 RPM, 45 RPM, or 78 RPM records with precision and detail. Connect the DP450 USB to any amplifier or system with analog inputs via the built-in phono equalizer for an open, enveloping soundstage that brings to life your vinyl collection while staying true to the original recording. The turntable features a compact, yet sophisticated form factor and solid construction that fits seamlessly into your existing hi-fi system. Exclusive, removable dust-covered doubles as a display stand. The first product on the list is the Rega Planar 2 turntable with RB220 tonearm. Completely redesigned RB220 tonearm and pre-installed carbon cartridge make the Rega Planar 2 turntable a price-to-performance champion. Authoritative analog sound, easy operation, the presence of the spectacular, completely revamped Rega RB220 tonearm on the Planar 2 is reason enough to become ensnared by the analog magic produced by this exceptional turntable. Featuring a low-resonance aluminum arm wand, patent-pending ball bearings housed within an extra-stiff vertical bearing, 3-point plinth mounting, and a new auto-biasing system that works with a wide variety of cartridges, RB220 is essentially plug-and-play, save for the simple act of balancing it. Its insightful, detailed performance and ability to extract scads of information from vinyl LPs justify Rega's decision to spend years perfecting it, and warrants spending a little extra on Planar 2 when compared to its little brother, Planar 1. Yet the RB220 is just one of many sonic-first benefits offered by Planar 2, which carries on the tradition of a model that originally launched in 1976. It comes about via excellent build, design, and sonics, qualities that help you hear more from your records at a reasonable cost. The very characteristics Planar 2 offers in spades. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.